Hi there, my name is Liam, Head of Technical here at Prima, otherwise known as the Almanac. Welcome to the latest installment for YouTube. So today we'll be showcasing the Bosch Flexidome 5100i IR Outdoor Dome. It is an indoor version of this. This does benefit from a few extra functions and features. It's a very powerful, versatile product, can be used in tons of different scenarios. This being the outdoor model means it's IP rated, IK10, and also NEMA 4X rated, so it can even be used in the most harshest of environments. As you can see, the box is fully sealed, so we'll do an unboxing together, and we can showcase what's in the product, and we'll go through some of the bells and whistles, and show you what it's capable of. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, and I'll show you what's in the box. So let's pop this open and see what's included in the package. There's the camera module itselff. This is a varifocal version. It has a varifocal lens in there. From memory, I think it's a 3 to 10.5mm lens. Open that up there. As you can see, it has alarm inputs, audio inputs in there. In the fact this is the outdoor model, it is 12 volts DC, 24 volts AC, and also PoE powered as an option. So very versatile, as I said earlier, and can be used in tons of different applications. There's also benefit from having the ability to have a 2 terabyte SD card installed in there. So a great little tool can be used on its own, standalone, or as part of a VMS platform. You also have the enclosure there. Like I said, this is IK10 rated, so vandal resistant. There's all the accessories you need in. So there is your alarm put and also your power inputs, your Allen key, and any other brackets you required. And you have the back plate for the camera itself. There's quite a few different accessories available for this particular camera, so it's quite versatile again. So there's a range of accessories you can have, even a cover for this, so it can be changed the casing from the white to a black enclosure to suit the application. So as you can see, very neat product, very well manufactured, really good quality. And what we'll do, we'll put it together and we'll show the image quality and show you what it's capable of doing. So just before we put this into position, let's show you how this camera module fits into the housing itself. So there is the red line there, which is the marker for the lock position. So the camera there, it also has markings on the enclosure. The camera then sits like this, rotate it slightly for it to then lock into place. Then you can put the top right part of the camera on there, the lens cover, and then it can be secured totally. This camera again also does benefit from an internal microphone, so this can have two-way audio. It would need an additional loudspeaker to accomplish this, but again, it's another great feature for this camera, making it very versatile again, be able to use in tons of different scenarios. So I have given this camera an IP address and loaded into the web page. As you can see, when you first load in, it gives you an image of the camera itself, and on the left hand panel here you have all the menu options. One of the great features of this is if you go to this little links tab here on the right hand side, click and open this, it takes you to a download area, and you can download all the relevant software required, so whether it's configuration manager, the security client, project assistant, or even the MPEG ActiveX plugin. It's all there ready to go for you with the relevant versions that you require for your system. Another great feature of this unit itself, if you're going to service and go into maintenance, what you can do for systems online, you can go to check and you can see any relevant firmware updates for you. All you do is click on the ones you need. I'll click on all these. Once I finish doing the video demonstration, I will install these. Very easy and nice and easy to do. And how you do that, literally just go to browse, point the camera to the firmware location, and it will do the upload reboot, and you'll be up to date with the relevant firmware, whether that be security updates, functions, for whatever it may be, and that's all done for you. Nice little progress bar, so it tells you what it's doing along the way. So really easy, simple and straightforward to use. Little system overview, tells you the camera model we're using. Obviously we're using the outdoor 5100 IR. This camera does have IR, but they also do a non-IR version. And as I said earlier, it comes in both, it comes in a choice of megapixel, it comes in 2, 5 and 8 megapixel options. So tons of features in this camera, and if you click on every tab, it does it what it says in the tin there for you, so you can create different user management, click different user profiles, set up for different admin rights. Your web interfaces, so you can change out the appearance on there, whether you're going to be using different languages for where the camera is sited. Your functionality, your connectivity there, so you've got your cloud features, so if you're going to use the Bosch remote portal or any other third-party VMS applications and cloud solutions, you have the option to use that there. The option for dynamic DNS, again, if you're going to use this, if the system is online and needs to be accessed remotely, instead of doing port forwarding, you have the option for dynamic DNS there. Tons of functions and features. And a bit of an installer menu on there if you click into this. A lens wizard, so you can calibrate the camera to be absolutely give you perfect, crisp, clear images. So the camera does benefit from HDR, which is high dynamic range, so it gives you excellent image quality and for like almost perfect exposure, whether it's been used internally or externally. And also does benefit from electronic image stabilization, and even features things such as starlight. So whether you're using this in daytime or nighttime, you're going to get really good image quality, and there's an impact on the scene where this camera is sited at all. So all the traditional things, your ALC, your illuminator settings. Obviously this will adjust your lens settings, so give you again the most crisp image it can give you at any one time. And you can change all your encode settings, price settings, audio. The camera does benefit from a built-in microphone. You have the ability to turn it on and off here, or you can use the remote line in, so you can have a secondary microphone. All this is calibrated from the web page itself, or you can use the configuration manager. One of the great features of this, and one of the things I found straight out of the box, which is really good, and I'll load through, is it classifies the human and vehicles straight away. It doesn't need any calibration on there. It does this nigh on instantly. So as you can see, it's classified me there. If I move around in the scene, if I move this around here, so I think as I'm moving around, it'll also show you where it's been, where I'm moving. If I walk out to the scene, if I leave the room, and enter the room, as you can see, nigh on instant. The calibration is just classified as a human being. So great analytics. Obviously it does benefit from application-based AI, so the IVA Pro is what's built in as standard, so it gives you reliable intrusion detection, reducing unwanted alarms. It's got a Pro installed. There's benefit things such as a people counting. Obviously a bit hard in this kind of application I'm showing you with just only me, but it could be tons and tons of applications. Obviously the fact that it's AI powered in the camera, it does keep the performance up on your VMS platform or your recorder that you're going to be using. It does benefit from this, so it doesn't cause unnecessary strain on your devices. Let's go back into the configuration tab here, 1 second. Another great benefit of this camera is obviously it has very low bandwidth compared to some of the other brands on the market, so without any loss of performance. So great, so it doesn't eat your bandwidth on your network, so it keeps your traffic down to a minimum to give you the best all-round performance. It does also have multiple output options for input options for your power. It gives you 12 volts DC, 24 volts AC, and also PoE as an option. Excuse me. Another nice little feature is it has 2 terabyte onboard storage via SDXC card. So tons and tons of options this can be used as part of a VMS platform, part of a Bosch system, or standalone. It's a very powerful camera which can be used in loads of different applications. Again, as I said, 2, 5 and 4K, NDA compliant, onboard Pro AI analytics, the power options. So really powerful camera, really powerful solution from the guys at Bosch. We know how good the products are. Really robust, IP66 rated, again IK10 and NEMA 4X rated. So any application this camera would be suited for without any problems. You know it's going to be reliable, you know it's really good build quality, and you know it's going to give you the best image quality at any one time. Low bandwidth, low power consumption, excellent features. So thank you to the guys at Bosch for letting me demo this camera. I'm amazed how easy it is to set up. As I said, the human and vehicle detection, literally no calibration, out of the box, turn it on, and it gives you that functionality. There's loads more that can be gone into by this, but The guys at Bosch themselves got tons of videos online, so please reach out to them or any of the Prima team if you want to learn more about this product. It was nice to have played this product. Thank you. See you all again soon.